Students, welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern Educational Institution, Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today I discuss some problem of exercise 2A related to polynomial. In previous video, I discussed how you can find a relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of a polynomial. Today, some questions to find the polynomial and hence find the relationship between their zeros and coefficients. Your first question is 13. That is question number 13, and that is find the quadratic polynomial whose zero are 2 and minus 6. And verify the relation between the coefficients and the zeros of the polynomial. So dear students, in solution you have given two things, that is zeros. Solution is alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 6. It is given. And your question is, what is polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. It is the formula of the quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So write here x square minus what is alpha 2 and beta is minus 6, x plus 2 into minus 6. Then it is x square and it is minus 4 and minus 12. That is x square plus 4x and minus 12. It is the quadratic polynomial. Now your question, find the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So what is the coefficient? Coefficient A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to minus 12. So find the relation. What is the relation? Relation is alpha plus beta is equal to minus by. What is alpha 2 minus 6 is equal to minus B 4 by A is 1. That is minus 4 is equal to minus 4. This is to verify the relation. That means the sum of the zeros is equal to the coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Next relation is alpha into beta is equal to c by, and alpha is 2, beta is minus 6 and c is minus 12, a is 1, that is minus 12 by minus 12. So second relation is also verified. The product of the zeros is equal to the constant by coefficient of x square. So dear student, first you find the polynomial if given that the zeros are 2 and minus 6, and then find the relation. Question number 14, like as 13, but slightly difference here. The zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. Question is that find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 4, and verify the relation between the coefficient and the zeros of the polynomial. So dear student, first you have given in solution alpha is equal to 2 by 3 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. So what is the equation? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So we write here x square minus alpha is 2 by 3 and beta is 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, x plus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 4, that is 0. So here is x square minus LCM 12, 3 4 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja, and x plus minus 2 by 12. Next, x square minus 5x by 12, minus 2 by 12 is equal to 0. Take LCM there, that is 12. So it is 12x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence 12x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is the quadratic polynomial. The denominator goes that sides, so 12 is multiply 0, we get 0. Next, what is the coefficients in this question? Coefficient A is 12, B is minus 5 and C is minus 2. What is alpha plus beta? It is minus B by A. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 12. Here LCM 12. 3 4 ja, 4 to the 8 minus 3. It is 5 by 12. Then it is also 5 by 12. It's equal to 5 by 12. So dear students, if in your fractions, then you take LCM and the denominator goes that side, so it is a quadratic polynomial. And suppose here A is 12, B is minus 5, C is minus 2, and substitute their value. Similarly, alpha into beta is equal to C by A. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 by 3 and beta is minus 1 by 4. It's equal to C. C is minus 2 by A, 12. When you multiply, then you also get minus 2 by 12. It's equal to minus 2 by 12. That means the product of the zeros is equal to the coefficient of constant term by coefficient of x square, and both are equal. So you solve like this. Now see question number 15, that is find the quadratic polynomial sum of whose zeros is 8 and their product is 12, and hence find the zeros of polynomial. Dear student, in solution it is given that sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is given 8 and product is alpha into beta is given 12. So what is the quadratic polynomial? That is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Now substitute their value, that is x square minus 8x plus 12, that is 0. It is the quadratic polynomial if sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is given. Now your question is find the zeros of the polynomial. So by middle split method, you find the zero. This is 12 and this is 8. So you can write x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Hence x common, then x minus 6 minus 2 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what you get? You get x minus 2 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. Hence x is equal to 2 and next x is equal to 6. That means alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 6. It is the zeros of the polynomial. If product and the sum is given, then use the formula x square minus sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta x, plus alpha into beta, that is product of the zero. It is the quadratic formula of the quadratic polynomial. You can write their sum and their product, and hence by middle split method you can find the zeros of this given polynomial. Thank you. Now see question number 17, that is find the quadratic polynomial sum of whose zeros is 5 by 2 and their product is 1, hence find the zeros of polynomial. So in solution you write alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 2, alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 2, and alpha into beta is equal to 1. So what is the polynomial? That is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Hence x square minus 5x by 2 plus 1, that is 0. Take LCM, that is 2. then 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now your question, find their 0. So by middle split, 2 into 2, 4, you get 5. So you write 2x square minus 4x minus x, then minus 4 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence 2 common, then it is x minus 2, minus 1 common, then x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. It is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 2. It is x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So the zeros of the polynomial are 1 by 2 and 2. And your question is given sum of the 0 and the product of the 0, and you can find it. Now question number 19. If x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0, then find the value of a and b. Here is given the roots 2 by 3 and minus 3. That is 2 by 3 means alpha and minus 3 means beta. So dear student, you write in solution that you have given alpha is equal to 2 by 3 and beta is equal to given minus 3 and a is equal to given a, b is equal to given 7 and c is equal to given b. So now we write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is alpha? 2 by 3 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 7 by a. Hence it is 9, it is 2, sorry. Hence it is 3, it is 2, it is minus 9. It's equal to minus 7 by a. Therefore, minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by a. So, a is equal to 3. That means a is equal to 3, 7 cancel. So, a is equal to 3. And now, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 by 3 into minus 3 is equal to c, b by a. A is what? A is 3. Hence, it is minus 6 by 3 is equal to b by 3. 3 cancel. So, b is equal to minus 6. So, dear student, if the value x are given to, that means one is the zeros, that is alpha, and second zero is called beta. Zero's other name is also roots. So this is the roots, alpha roots, and this is the beta roots. And here the coefficient, that is a, it is b 7 and c is b. So find the relation between their zeros and the coefficient. You know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and substitute their value, then you get your answer. First a and then alpha into beta, c by a, and put their value a and alpha beta, then you get the value of c, and in question c is the b, so you can find the value of b. Last questions today, it is question number 20. If x plus a is the factor of the polynomial 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10, then what is the value of a? Your question is find the value of a. Find the value of a. This question is related to class 9 of remainder theorem. Dear student, already you have read in class 9 that x plus a is the factor, then x plus a is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus a.